my morning that I like to sleep until around 7-ish, which is nice, and take it a little slower. And I always have a phone call with my mentor. We always talk for about 30 minutes about philosophy, chiropractic, business, pretty much everything. And then hop in the car and I drive up to Round Rock to go see Bear Performance Nutrition, which is a nutrition company out here. And they've been growing, they've been expanding, they do a lot of great things, and I really love the stuff that they do. So I go up there with one of my fold-up tables and spend 2 hours adjusting the whole team. And after that, get back in my car, head back to Austin, and then get ready to go to the office to see patients for the afternoon. So this has been a routine now for a few months, probably close to like almost a year, and I enjoy it because I get to listen to music or a podcast or a phone call or audiobook, and it's kind of my time. And I just enjoy being up there doing some sort of I guess portable chiropractic, just to keep my options open, because it's a lot of fun to do that. And then I just go right back to the office and do my thing. So every Tuesday morning, BPN, you guys will see that in just a sec. Met Nick Bear probably like a year and a half or 2 years ago. He came in as a patient because one of my patients recommended me to him for neck pain, headaches and stuff, and got a chance to adjust Nick and chat with him and all that stuff. There's an old YouTube video of that as well. Just remained in contact, and he's a very, very, very busy guy, and he lives up just past Austin, so the drive was too much for him. So instead we set up an arrangement where I just go to him, I adjust him and all of his staff instead. And there's a lot of companies that are now starting to do this model because they realize that when their staff is adjusted and they're in alignment, they feel better and move better, of course, but productivity goes up, satisfaction goes up. Pretty much it's just one of the best things to allow your business to thrive and allow your employees to thrive. So every week I come up here at my table, adjust them all, and make sure that the business keeps moving forward.
This guy's always working wonders for me. I notice it more so than anything when I'm not with you. So.
Ready to get this guy back on the dance floor with his hips.
Telling me, man, too much that late night wrestle, I guess. I was visiting my cousin just because I didn't have really any family in town.
For Easter?
Yeah, we had fun. We bounced around campus, but
one thing led to another.
Exactly. Naturally, we're overdue for some heckling.
Just that little back. Drop. Yes, sir. On the other side for me. And, yes. So we go face down again. Oh, yes, I know what you're talking about right here.
Yeah.
Good. Head's relaxed. It's almost like you're looking to that left side. And then right here. Again. Yes, sir. Good. Until you flip on over. For sure.
Probably do for a little bit of adjustment yourself, just with all
I got it yesterday. Don't worry, man. I got adjusted yesterday.
I can only imagine.
What's the first thing I do? I say, Dr. James, get my back,
up,
man.
I'm back.
Hook me up. All the way up. All the way back. Yep. Yes, sir. That one echoed.
Yeah, it does, man. Always, that's the infamous bear hug.
The infamous bear.
It's famous, too.
If you're in BPN, you're getting a bear hug, right? And then that right shoulder stays relaxed, too. Good.
You need something functional.
Let's have you sit up and face the mirrors for me. Let's see. So let's have you sit up as straight as you can. Shoulder blades back. Looking up right there. So I'm like, you know what? I'm not as tired as I should be, but I know I need to go to sleep.
You want to just kind of wind down a little bit?
Yeah.
It's always effort. The effort's always there.
Hey, thanks
Take
for
it easy, guys.
I'm good.
How's that wrist doing? Still been doing pretty well?
Yeah, I mean, for the most part, I don't really feel it anymore.
Cool. So it's been feeling pretty normal now?
Yeah.
Lift your shoulder up. Good, and you can relax this hand. I'm going to gently bring this down. There it goes, and then relax that shoulder. Hell yeah. So if you want to start off face down for me, please. Low back stays nice and moving. Yep, see, it already starts moving. That's what we want. Just drop that left leg off the table. Yes. And then all the way up. There it is. Yes, sir. Welcome back. Yeah. Nice. I'll bring that around. Welcome back again. Jeez. And you're all set. Hey, you know what? I'm not a huge fan of running, so okay, I have nothing to say.
I was like, I'll just keep running here.
Okay, good. Yeah, see, it already starts moving right there. Good. There it goes. Yes. There it is.
That's the one.
Yep. Oh. That's one way up. There it is. Good. Nice. And you can relax that all the way. There it goes. I'm gonna bring your ear closer to your shoulder. There it is. Nice. And then sit on up and face the mirrors. Oh. Do you hear that crack from over there? Okay, good. Nice and straight shoulders, yes sir.
Yeah.
I know that you were gonna show up today for sure.
I missed that one because I was traveling in California.
That's where you were going, yeah.
And you were gone last week.
I was out.
I got here Tuesday. I was like, I cannot wait for this. I need this so bad.
Let's have you go face down.
Do me good.
Let's see what we got. Let's just a little bit there. And all the way up. Good. There it is. In this direction. Behind you. Let's have you all flip over so your face up. Yep. And all the way up. Yes, sir. It's almost like you're looking left.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. That was a lot. There's just a little bit more. There it is.
That was a good one, man.
That's just gonna allow everything to just flow so much better. I'll be back again next week.
I need you. Thanks,
You too,
man.
And then whenever I'm up here, I just adjust whoever walks in. So you walked in now, so it's time to get you adjusted.
I'm at my appointment.
Yes, that's right. There it is, yes sir. And then bear hug, nice big hug. All the way up there. Flat. Oh, there it goes. Nice. I'm just gonna bring it a little bit.
Oh.
Yes, sir. There we go. Adjustments make you taller and more handsome. Let's go.
I don't know about the more handsome.
I need next week. Gonna make sure everything continues to stay aligned, baby.
Awesome. Thank you, sir.
You got it. See you again soon. Right there. Good. Yeah, right there. Nice. Just a little bit right here. Good.
So you have a need in you.
Yeah, right. Everyone needs a chiropractor in their family. Nice and relaxed. I'm just gonna bring your head over this direction. Yes, right here. Let's have you flip over so your face up, please. While you're there, nice big hook like this. Good. I'm gonna go this direction. There it is.
Oh, good.
Yes, then open up nice and wide. It's always my favorite. Right after that adjustment, I open up nice and wide just to allow everything to expand. And how long were you in Mexico for?
4 nights, 5 days.
4 nights, 5 days.
I wish we had one more day.
That's the way it always is.
Just one more full day.
Just one more. Just one more. That's actually the BPN. Go one more, right?
See? Right?
Everything's just one
Even
more.
in vacation.
Bring that over a little bit. Good. Yeah, there it goes. Beauty.
Oh my god.
Yes, ma'am. Now you're taller.
Just by a little bit.
So if you sit up and face the mirrors for me.
Excited?
So we'll see what ends up happening, but I'm still gonna have a place in Austin too.
Okay. Okay, don't leave us.
No, I'm still gonna be here. Don't you worry. So we just wrapped up. We're here for about 2 hours. 9:30 to 11:30. Probably saw like 12, 15 people, something like that. It's always fun because you get to adjust people, but you also get to chit chat because everyone here is super cool. You get to learn more about what they're doing business-wise, what they're doing life-wise too. So it's just cool to be able to connect, and that's one of the cool things about chiropractic is yes, you get to put people's bodies back together, but you also get to build a really solid connection. So I'll be back again next week. Now we're actually going to check out the rest of the facility.